This is the 4-hour chart of Euro GBP, and you can see that the trend of the market is towards the downside. And if I zoom in, then also you can see that we have got a trading channel here where we have got two lines. This line is acting as a resistance for the market, and this line is acting as a support for the market. But this line, these two lines or this trading channel is also going towards the downside. So the present trend of the market is also going towards the downside, and the overall trend of the market is also towards the downside. So considering the trend of the market and considering the thumb rule of the market, that is trend is our friend, so we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. But right now you can see that market is just standing at the support level, because see, this there is no doubt that this level is, or this trend line is acting as support for the market, and right now market is just standing at the support. Therefore this is not the ideal position to short the market. Moreover, market is also in the oversold zone. Therefore, though market is standing at the support level, but still we should not do anything right now, because see, if you go ahead and buy here, okay, if you are planning to go for a buy order here, then there is a catch here I'll be showing you right now. But this is not the ideal position to short the market, that is clear to us. And considering the overall trend of the market and the present trend of the market, we should mainly look for shorting opportunity. Now let me explain why you should not buy here. This is the currency strike meter, and I'm in the daily time frame. In the currency strike meter, you can see that euro is standing here and pound is standing here. So euro is in much weaker position in comparison to pound here. If euro would have been stronger and pound, British pound would have been weak, then it would have been a different chapter. But right now euro is in a much weaker position in comparison to British pound. As a result, though euro is standing at the support, it may not have the required strength to take the price upward. If you go for a buy at the support level, then you may not see some good movement in the market. On the other hand, if we go to the forex sentiment meter, if you go to forex sentiment meter, you'll find this forex sentiment meter on my website avilashajarika.com under the forex 101 section. If we go to the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 14%, only 14% traders have taken short position and 85% traders have taken long position. My dear friend, I would like to remind you one thing here, that this sentiment meter shows the sentiment of the retail traders. And as we all know, 90%, actually more than 90% retail traders lose money. And the main reason behind losing money is that they do not follow the trend of the market. You have clearly seen on the chart, I have clearly shown you on the chart that this market is in downtrend, and 85% retail traders have taken long position in this downtrend market. As a result, they are bound to lose money. Those traders who have taken long position in the market, in this market, they are bound to lose money, and ultimately they'll curse the market that forex market is of no use. Therefore, you should never go against the trend. And therefore, this is the main reason why retail traders lose money. 85% traders have taken long position in the downtrend market. And if we go to the forex heat map, then we can still see that NZD Euro, NZD pairs are still standing tall, and this is the best currency pairs here. Okay, NZD USD, NZD Euro, NZD JPY, NZD Pound. These are the best pairs for a day, because forex heat map is clearly showing us that rest of the market is not having a good movement here. And if we go to the forex volatility calculator, then forex volatility calculator, you can see that there is also not much movement in the market in the chart of Euro GBP, because in the 5-minute chart there is hardly a movement of 1 pip. In the 15-minute chart there is a movement of 2.4 pips. In the 1 hour chart also there is only movement of 3.3 pips. On the other hand, in the 4 hour chart there is hardly movement of 10 pips. The daily chart only 33 pips. So hardly there is any movement going on in the euro pound chart. And as we all know, this is a basic rule of the market. This is a common sense that if there is no movement in the market, if there is no volatility in the market, then it is not possible to make money. If the market does not move, how will you make money? Okay. Therefore, Euro GBP is standing at the support, and we are not having much movement here. So do not go for buy order here. Okay, just wait for the perfect opportunity, and the perfect opportunity is to short the market at the resistance. Okay, you do not need to do anything here. In case market crosses this trend line, in case market crosses this support level with good amount of volume, then you can short the market. Otherwise, you do not need to do anything. At least if you are looking for safe trade, or if you cannot afford to lose any money in the market right now, then you should avoid buying Euro GBP here. Short the market in case market crosses this trend line. On the other hand, if you want to take some risk, okay, then you can then that is your own personal call. You can go for a buy order if market bounces from here. Okay. But the safest entry in this market will be if market crosses this trend line, you can short the market here, or you can short the market here if market reverses after hitting this resistance level. Just keep your eyes on this resistance level and be very careful. So when market will be hitting the resistance level, just wait for the price to reverse, or at least observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance level, if you see that price is unable to cross the resistance, just like previous time, if you see price is being rejected from above, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market is following a downtrend where we have a trend line acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and as a result you can short the market when market will be reversing from the trend line. Okay. Apart from this level, okay, there is no safe opportunity here. Okay, this and this shorting below this trend line, these two are the only best opportunity or the safe opportunity here. And right now market is standing at the support zone, but I'll tell you to avoid buying Euro GBP at this price level if you are looking for a safe opportunity, because I have clearly shown you that euro is weaker in comparison to pound, at least for the day. Therefore, avoid buying here. If you want to take risk, that is your own personal call. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow.